Today we're going to look at A-level biology, and we're going to focus on paper 1, revision skills, just to help you understand how to strategize when you're answering some of these questions. We're going to focus on one topic. We look at how to answer questions from that topic. I'll use 5 questions on each of these topics, and then I'm going to send you 5 questions for you to work on. Today we will start off with cell structure, the topic cell structure, and it's important for you to have read through the topic so that you're able to understand. So we start off with May-June 2019, paper 9700, paper 1, and we're going to question 5 of this paper. And question 5 says, which cell structures have ribosomal RNA? And they give you 4 options. They tell you chloroplasts, mitochondrion, nucleus, and the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So to start us off, so that you're able to figure which is a correct answer, you start by asking yourself, where is the ribosomal RNA produced? And from your reading, you should know that ribosomal RNAs are produced by the nucleolus. There's a structure called nucleolus, and nucleolus is found in the nucleus. So, looking at the options we've been given, option number 3, therefore, is a correct answer. We will find ribosomal RNA in the nucleus. So, after asking ourselves that question, we ask ourselves the second question: what is a ribosomal RNA used for in a cell? Ribosomal RNA is used in the making of the ribosome subunit. So it's a material used to make the ribosome subunit. Where exactly do we find ribosomes in a cell? We find ribosomes in 2 places. Number 1, we find it in the cytoplasm as a free-floating ribosome. And number 2, we find ribosomes attached onto the endoplasmic reticulum. So anytime you find an endoplasmic reticulum with ribosomes on it, attached to it, it's called the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So looking at the options we've been given, therefore, number 4 will be also a correct answer. Then that leaves us with 2 options, that's chloroplast and the mitochondria. Now, to answer this question, you have to remind yourself that there's a theory that says that chloroplast and the mitochondria were once free-living prokaryotes. That means they were single cell, just like a bacteria. And just the way a bacteria has ribosomes, also the chloroplast and the mitochondria, once upon a time when they were living by themselves, they had ribosomes. And over time, chloroplast and the mitochondria were engulfed into a cell. And so they came into the cell with the ribosomes. And so, since they contain ribosomes, they definitely have ribosomal RNA subunits. So looking at the 2 options then, those 2 options are also correct. So looking at the multiple choice questions or options we've been given, then the most appropriate is the first one, which is A, which includes A, number 1, 2, 3, and number 4. So that's how you tackle that question. If you ever find, I hope when you get a question like this, you'll use the same reasoning to be able to do them. So I'm going to send you 5 questions relating to the same, and then join me later on to look at the next 4 questions from the same topic.